Good morning, riders. We are looking at the overall Florida map with the trip today highlighted down on the peninsula from Gainesville to Venice, Florida. We may have a stopover for fuel, I don't know, about halfway down somewhere. Yeah, near the Tampa area. In any event, we'll fuel up this morning, top off the tank with some high-octane petrol. I hope you're beginning to get an idea what the drill is, but I don't want to run short on fuel or have to worry about running short on fuel. Looks like the weather will be cooperating. It is an October day, so for someone from the cold region like Minnesota, it is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what the Floridians think of this morning, but I do think this fellow is COVID compliant, and so are we. Full helmet. We are once again hitting the I-75 southbound and keeping alert and relaxed. We will be hovering around the speed limit. There's an oversized load if there ever was, and our virtual speed will be running at about 300 miles per hour. So should make for a short trip. We'll make sure that Smokey Bear doesn't pay any attention to us. And there's a huckleberry if there ever was. Screen right. Got a little bit of a squeeze here. Nice zip move. There does appear to be freight as usual on the interstate. We will jostle a little bit here for position. Adhere to our crowding the line as a style, allowing for quicker lane changes. There's some fellow bikers. Good to see. Now, we've got a Camaro on our tail. I just need to let you know about that. We'll zip here, see what the Camaro does. Using our attributes of acceleration and nimbleness, the Camaro is nowhere to be seen. So we'll take this opportunity to bring in a little medley from the O'Neill brothers. Kick back a little bit and enjoy the elbow room. Colors by the O'Neill brothers, Tim O'Neill on keyboard. I hope it gave you a little bit of a break from the hectic ride and congestion on the road. We do have a beautiful day for a ride, so that notwithstanding, we are on our approach into the city of Venice. I didn't get you anything at the 7-Eleven. I did get a Slurpee for myself, and if it's any consolation, any poetic justice, I did have a brain freeze for a moment or two. So anyways, I know that the 7-Elevens bring back summertime memories for me, and the Slurpees provide a little bit of cues to just taking it easy, enjoying the moment in the heat of the summer, having a nice cool drink. I don't know what happened to the 7-Elevens. They seem to take Minneapolis and St. Paul by storm, and then they just disappeared. So I really just had to stop in and check it out and pick up a Slurpee. Hold on, breaking news.
Stand by for action. We are about to launch Stingray. Stingray, Stingray. Stingray, Stingray.
Well, thank goodness for another Stingray alert. Those stingrays can become rather aggressive once they pick up the scent of a motorcycle. We at least had the option to divert their attention. They are not a smart car yet. And we are in the residential area looking for our place of lodging. It is the Villa with a golf beach area, and I'm not sure. Oh, I think it's time to get some food at a deli. I forget the name of those stores. The Public, and we'll check out a little bit of Venice. I think we're trying to track down some tires. We need to get both front and rear changed before we head back to Minnesota, and it seems to be an issue that is not going to be resolved in Venice. There you can see the young couple off to the wedding rehearsal dinner, and we'll be following them because, and you can see here, tomorrow we'll be looking for a headlight as well. Imagine that. I hope I have better success than I did with the tires. So we'll creep home and take it super slow. Yes. Tail lights are working just fine, so that's good. And we are nearing our final destination.